Saudi Arabian Airlines launched on Friday a direct route connecting the kingdom's capital Riyadh and Red Sea port city Jeddah to Beijing, the capital of China. According to the carrier, the new route to China reflects its role in connecting the two countries in various aspects, including trade and business, tourism and culture.
是直航这个大大的节约了旅行的时间，因为我之前呢是在其他地方转机来到沙特的，我也期待在后面呢能够更多的乘坐从北京到沙特的这个航空。
For us, this is a historic moment linking two countries that are economically becoming closer. We are very hopeful that many Chinese tourists will visit Saudi Arabia to understand the culture, the hospitality, the food, and most importantly, the friendliness of the Saudi people.
The flag carrier of Saudi Arabia now operates 2 flights between Jeddah and Beijing every Monday and Friday, and 2 flights between Riyadh and Beijing every Sunday and Wednesday. Before the opening of the passenger route to Beijing, Saudiyah's only operating destination in China was the southern city of Guangzhou.